My name is Steve Chandler. I'm the dealer principal of the Motorrad Group here in East London. We're a family-owned business. We've been here for nearly 50 years serving East London and the greater East London community. We specialize in pre-owned vehicles. We also have Mahindra new vehicles, and as you can see behind me, we also have the JAC brand of new vehicles. We sell a 3-ton truck, we sell a 6-ton truck, and we also sell a 9-ton truck. Very, very good trucks. They are Chinese brand, JAC, and they have been manufactured in China since 1962. We've adopted the protocols as per government regulations. As you can see, the door behind me is closed. At the moment, we only have 2 entrances. Together with those entrances, obviously, we have people that are taking temperatures and following the protocols. But it has been difficult. We've had to adopt the way we do business. We spend a lot of time and energy on the social media aspect, and we have said to customers that they can shop online. We will sanitize the vehicle for them and deliver the vehicle to them to their business premises or to their house. So we've sort of changed the way. We encourage the people not to necessarily come to the showroom, but to browse our websites and choose their vehicle and choose their color, do the transaction online. They can even sign the contract from the comfort of their own home without even coming to see us, and we can deliver the car. So they do not even have to leave their house, Zama. We can, from the beginning to the end, we can deliver the car to them without them leaving their house.